Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to create videos using Canva's AI features. Yes, you heard that right. From automatic video editing to script to video and AI voiceovers. This is your step-by-step guide to making professional videos without any editing skills. So let's get right in the video topic. So first of all, we have to go to the canva.com. For that, we have to search canva.com on the Google search bar and search for it. So now we can see that there are two options, login and sign up. As I have already a Canva account, so I'll go for login. So I'll go with continue Google and then log into my account. Continue. This will take me right into the Canva dashboard. So from here, I will click to create a design. Now I will select video and the aspect ratio I will choose mobile video, especially for TikTok, Instagram reel format or YouTube shorts format. This opens up a timeline based video editor and it's very beginner friendly. So now I will choose template from here. As you can see, there are many premium templates for you. I will skip this for right now. I will select free templates from now on. So I'll just go for it. Okay, now after selecting the template, we will have to add our video to this template. In the one we're trying to edit and create. To go to upload. So we will now upload, click on the upload files to upload our videos and select these two videos and it will just be on this upload corner. It is taking some time to get uploaded, so we wait for this. So I've uploaded my contents. So after this, we need to go to the design tab, and here we can see generate videos instantly. To create videos with the help of AI, we have to click on this. Let's get into it. Try magic design and upload our two videos. Okay. Let's upload three video and select this one. And it's uploading. Get it. We uploaded. It might not take time. Almost done. Okay, it's done. So let's generate a video to promote your gluten-free video and a video want to use the generated video training example. Video for, let's say, metro rail, and generate. It's taking time, not much time, I guess. So it just made this one. Let delete this one. Okay, just made a video like this, so we can here edit the text, font, like fat, pencils, Elise, Stefan. We can write anything here, right? Okay. City views, metro style, above the city, below the metro. First, small metro. We can edit each of the videos font separately, or we can just match them according to our likings. So that's not the issue. And now we can also add something like we can also add other text like a heading, like life in. Okay, let me drag. Let me drag it to the website and add a heading like life in a metro. We can also do that. And we can now also change the font style. You can explore on your own here and add several things to the video. Like you can also add some elements or transitions or other like videos or charts. Many things you can do by the Canva. And now we can also use some tools. We can use also some apps like here, like AI voice, charts, photos, bulk create, data autofill, audio. We can also add some audio to this video. So generate audio voice, metro sound, chilling. Let's say this. It will generate chilling and evening. So let's say free to use Lisa.
Met
Generate AI voice. If we generate the AI voice, we can also stretch it, right? Stretch it up. We can enter many more text to this, and we can also add some magic media like another video. Make me a outro for my metro rail short video. Okay, and I can click on generate video. It will generate a short outro that will match my video according to that, and it will take some time. Say the brand new video inspired by a scene is being generated. It should be ready in 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, it should not take more than 2 minutes. So now we can see that the video has been generated, and we can directly drag and drop it here and merge it to. As you can see, we have not got the result as we expected. That's not a problem because I am just showing a demo how you can show your creativity and all, as I'm not that much of expert on video editing and all. So now we can also see that here's the audio. We can select and stretch it to match the video. And we can also add some transitions like dissolve, slide, line wipe and all. You can use transitions in every section of the video you are seeing. And last of all, you have to export this. So for that, we'll have to go to share option. Then you can see only we can access any one of the link. We can customize the link as we choose. We can also now download the video. Let's click on download and it's automatically downloading. So MP4 suggested, but we need to have Canva Pro to download MP4. So for now, I'll just download in GIF file. You need to buy actually a Pro package to download in MP4 format. So for that, go to content planner schedule. You can also plan content from here, and that's only for Pro. For that, go to content planner schedule post for Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. Post you can then post directly from Canva. So let me give you some bonus final tips. You can use Magic Edit. It is a replace objects in videos, text animator, animate words by emotion or actions. AI image generator create original thumbnails of video backgrounds, and every tools I've mentioned you find it on the Canva, and you've just learned how to create videos using Canva's AI from script generation to editing, voiceovers, and exporting. No software needed, no editing experience, just pure creativity. If this helps, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI-powered content tutorials. Got a Canva question or video request? Drop it in the comments. I reply to everyone. So, till the next content.